So, what is this? From Brand Edition. Okay. Hello guys! Welcome again to my channel. Today, I will be unboxing something from Jaran! YouTube. It's not my silver button or gold play button, guys, but I have received a token here. Says, thank you so much for your participation and hard work toward the channel membership bootcamp. We love to see you thrive. Yay, from Team YouTube. So they sent me this box. I have here a towel from YouTube. It's personalized. And I have here a toiletry bag from YouTube. And here is a mask with a little icon of YouTube in there. So I will be using this for my trip. Thank you, YouTube team. Bye.